Benjamin, come here. Good bird. Is your name Benjamin, huh? Are you a boy? This is my parakeet. His name is Benjamin. He's a very good boy. Speaking of a boy, he is a boy. He's a boy parakeet. You might call them budgies. They're actually miniature parrots. Want to say hi again? Hi, where are you? Ah! Monster bird! You're too big! Help me! Come on! What happened to you talking up a storm? Okay? I'm going to end the video. And after I end the video, you're going to stop talking again. I know it. Say bye, Benjamin. You don't have to, but okay. Ah, you're starting to talk again. Come here, Benjamin. He's a crazy bird. I bet I'm too close for the camera. Why are you looking at me? Look at the bird. He's a wonderful bird. Anyways, goodbye. Bye. I gotta turn around, so you're gonna look at him while I shut it off. You should not be listening to this end part because it's very boring, which is what I just said. Bye.